Shisha mode and everything. Because nobody small madness on top the late night show, the crazy something. I don't just know. I just misbehave since morning. Anyhow, I don't know what's wrong to me. Easy beat on the wheels of steel. You know, for my head, somewhere for my head, music they play. But the song they play for my head, no concern the song they play.
I tell you, Mama
the Rigio, Mama the Rigio, oh Yoma. Good day, welcome everybody. Come the late night show. Thank you. Flower play golf. Thank you. All right. So you don't collect the accolade, Abi. And your name na easy beat. No play any applause because you don't collect the accolade. Already. And my name na Ogbolo, you know, your baby, your boy, you know, ugly baby. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know what to do. You know, I did a gangster piece this morning. You know what to do. All right. Gee, man. You know.
What's happening now?
All right. Since I stand here bar, now because one of my correct bosses in the comedy industry, go follow us on top of the show today. In them, now, Klint Da Drunk. All right, so Klint Da Drunk, yes. Before they on top of the show today, we'll talk every. We still get one of our smally guy. We go come do some kind of Namzi to do show yourself on top of the show. Very making sense songs, and when you get, you go dropping things for here. At the same time, we get Ransom in the building. This guy do some kind of things with Fino and some other, you know, making sense songs them. So everybody go join them on top of the show today to make sure say everybody get correct badment and enjoyment and feed the whole group in the system of a late night show on Wazobia TV. You know, they feel me, Abi, they feel me.
That's it.
They jealous me. You know they feel me, they jealous me.
The part of the funny part is that you wear suits, you wear everything, they do hip hop, a lot of stuff.
That's it. This suit, that just be the same. We just try to show everybody, say, look, you can see me in the corporate level and see show craze. Forget. People, you know people that wear suits for this country when nothing.
I tell you.
Nothing stroll for Broad Street with their bag.
And that guy who wear suits yesterday.
Oh,
that big guy.
You get one guy we see yesterday. He just big. You know, say this one they force and wear the suit. Now the job when they walk, now they force and they wear the suit. He just there anyhow. They carry body anyhow. You know, but all joy. But welcome everybody come to the show. We not sit back, relax. All right, people feel that yesterday show. We should get Ibrahim.
Why they not go feel like when they see fine babe like
when
that?
When they see fine babe, please, easy beat. We need more babes in this show. All right, Obi Martins, Lara, Jacob. We need more fine girls. It encourage my ministry. So on this note, we go start the show for today. When I don't go anywhere, the show starts now. When I can go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, drop every on top the whole P. All right, so easy beat. Carry us come out. They come back. Yeah, so now welcome back, you know. Easy bit to do, play applause now, wait to worry you. Calm down, please. Okay, so I'll talk about welcome back again.
Okay.
All right, so now welcome back, you know. Yeah, you know. I feel like who they high or something.
I don't understand. The thing they do you want
I mean, it's totally my body. Somewhere in the whole system. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the time don't reach for the cocoa. Woo!
When you see someone you like, they just use the magic.
You feel that one, I mean? Let's go to that slow motion already.
You make sense.
Don't just in the bunch. What a coincidence. Now, easy bit. Not be every girl where they see where they bath up. He are buying the thing on his own money. Some girls, he are shoplifting. Them say they go inside shop, go they thief things. Easy bit. She worry happening. Inside Allen, for Allen Avenue. Near your side now. Oh, we don't announce them now. So they find you for street now. Now here they pass. Allen boys. For inside Allen, for one shopping mall for there, some girls, they all catch them, they move cloth. They stuck to this side. See the camera now? The girls, their face even show for the whole thing. They move cloth. Fine girl, oh. Fine babe.
She didn't even spy the camera. Like she did suspect this camera they walk. Nah, she just see they walk.
You go no foreign thief now. You get on tape for the ministry. You can't just look around. Okay. 4 cameras. Okay, 2 on the angle when the camera moves like
on the
this,
middle.
Yeah, now.
They will never
Because
expect
okay,
it.
1, 2, move. They move cloth. They say, but they not gonna catch them.
They don't catch them.
They not catch them. And they not talk now. Say anybody will see them. Make the.
I don't want to see them as everywhere busy.
Easy bit. Imagine that your girlfriend be this.
But
Just they say, all these get the thief. Maybe they even show us the picture. Say,
Yes. I even at the club, they come here visit you.
You look and say, baby.
Never expect it.
Never expect it. But a very, very crazy thing. I think more stores need to get more CCTV cameras them. Whether if they grab anybody when they move things onto that whole level. Very, very sad case. But you know if you stop thief-free for this country. But most shall they do our best to put CCTV cameras everywhere to move things. I don't they put for my house now.
CCTV for your house.
Just some girls don't come see you for house now. What is their bag they carry? They move things. Oh.
Don't move your fridge.
You only say your fridge just lost. Name my fridge day now. Or you see darkness for house. Boom. Your generator. Open your bag. Lara, open your bag.
Why Lara?
No, my associate producer.
Okay.
So I don't like to use
you see ring boiler, pillowcase.
Don't open the bag. Just see, yes, ring boiler, see generator, ATM machine. All right, so second story. For the Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
All the husbands or boyfriends that were there for our side there. My big question now they say, if your babe, now babe will be very, very hot. You understand? Very hot. When I mean hot. You know those body we go do like those kind of hot
I
body.
feel the hot
Like Kim Kardashian.
Washiri.
Malaka. Kim Kardashian. Only say they look for picture like this, when boys just they lost.
They cheat with their girlfriend on the picture.
On the picture. Just for the picture, you say you look at the picture, you are cheating on your girlfriend. Now, Kim Kardashian husband will be Kanye West. Now, don't they post some of her nude pictures now online? Saying they're proud of the sexy babe Wayne gets. They post her picture nude on top. The Bobby and everything for her side. They say, man, make her look the wonderful creation where God give to me as a babe.
And they get their people.
You want to make Kanye West using they put her for corner. You understand? But nobody first hot girl when he first get Benis. He first get Amber Rose.
Amber Rose did it.
You understand? Before calling Amber Rose, come start to follow Kim Kardashian.
But the thing with me they ask me, say, Chevy Kanye West, he still they sing, he get work.
He still get work now. He just want to hand inside.
Is it still get work now? Because
now still business mogul now.
If not be waiting him be, I thought say maybe all the stunts when they pull now just to get attention.
My brother, now the easiest way to stay afloat. Go take Kim Kardashian take popular today. Now still the same thing what they do. Now things on the that body, Brandy brother. Ray J. You watch that video?
I'm not really see the video.
Hey, easy beat.
You get them?
Oh, not the gay. But for wicked. But well, last. My question now to everybody waiting for outside there. You go fit post your wife nude pictures on top internet. Or maybe your Instagram page or Twitter. Make una follow us go on top our Twitter account at W Late Night Show. Reach them, make una tell us whether you go fit say because you celebrate your wife, you can't put all her pictures for outside the way all her things that they expose. Her things just there outside there. If you not be say she naked finish. If you be say she just
semi naked.
Maybe the thing just did there, small thing just cover. Just show every other thing. Or say for the back own. Small things. Don't reveal something. You be mad they like that kind of thing. I be not like I'm at all. Me just a dress like say she be nun. All those mommy them for inside church. So send us your own and then we go know how far. On top W Late Night Show for Twitter. Okay, so now that we come on top the Coco for today. By the time we come back, our first guest will be inside the building and in name na ransom. We're not go anywhere. Now still the Late Night Show.
You don't know if you got chance. See yourself.
You got slow. That's slow.
When you see how we like, they just use the magic word. Go say Tambala, Chatungolo, Omokewa, Chatungolo, Tambala, Shawale Tungolo, Amoa, Yemile Tungolo, Tambala, Chatungolo.
And just now, I say I go bring in the very guy who did that video, which took that particular making sense video. Ladies and gentlemen, make una help me welcome Ransom. Ransom, how far? Easy, between you do the applause now. That's in Abi. That's in witchcraft. No worry. We'll continue every. Ransom, how far now? Now what I go on? I dey feel your Igbo things on top that video.
Thank you.
That Nkwobi wanna put for the wait. Now your song una dey sing. Now the Nkwobi una dey sell abi na waiting because I can't dey watch video now. I can't dey hungry.
Everything follow for the video.
Everything follow.
In fact, I was just doing mistake anyhow for the video. So
don't they do mistake anyhow?
So that I go dey repeat it.
Okay, because of you now they come you chop one full plate of Nkwobi. Next thing you go say cut. Form up play.
If not like that video
Order.
Then I'm going to shoot video every day.
If that one, I'll be video version. If that one, just they put me for the food part. Nah, I dey chop anything. Horse self at the chop. So how you dey?
My brother, I dey fine.
This one that I real abi you wear am.
As you can see, touch am now.
No, I know they touch this kind of thing. Yeah, I go to touch this now. Boom, you wake up tomorrow morning, see your own for one pit. You just they grow unnecessary growing. All right, Ransom. Now, how your name Ransom take fall out? Say, you know, say when you think of ransom, yeah, they think of person with the owe money.
Yeah, the money where they pay kidnappers, yeah.
Something like that. People they bad people anyhow.
My Ransom is my real name. Actually, my real name.
Your real name?
Yes.
They always born you. Pooh. This one a ransom. Your parents be the owe person money.
Ransom means the redeemed. That is the ransom. Yes.
Okay, from that angle. Okay, ransom. Yes. You know what the blood of the lamb.
Yes.
Blood of the yeah. Now I understand. Now, how far? How everything? You and Fino do this one.
Yeah.
We see just now. Fino doing big things.
Yeah.
How music don't be for you since you started the whole level?
It's getting better.
It's getting better.
I'm not gonna lie you.
Which part of East you come from?
I'm from Abia State.
Abia State.
But then born me for Enugu. I grew up for Enugu. I school for Enugu. I do everything for Enugu State. Yes.
So now how's the morning?
The morning. We are spending the morning.
You are spending the money.
Yes.
You know how market?
Now market they make sense.
Hope the market they make the wallet.
They make sense.
Small. So music now.
Yeah.
How don't they be? They tell me just.
Like I said, it's getting better.
Okay.
The video Local Boy was shot last year.
Because last year I shoot that video.
Last year we shoot that video.
Okay.
Yes, last year we shoot that video, and we just did another one like a few weeks ago, and very soon it's going to come.
You go speak up, oh. Make I come out the jacket.
No.
You
want make I bring out the Agbero in me?
My brother, bring him out. See, feel free, oh. I dey see your boots.
Like I told you, I just the package.
Now leave packaging now.
They tell me say
I
dey come TV station, so I just package.
No be woman they follow the interview with the form packaging for. Now you don't need this packaging for me.
Now I don't land.
The eagle has landed.
The thing they say. I shoot another video like few weeks back.
Okay. Okay.
And it will come out very soon. The title of that one is Congratulations.
Congratulations.
So when it come out, I go still carry and come here.
No wahala now. No wahala. We are always there to make sure we allow you to come inside and be a brethren to the ministry. You understand me now? Now, here the gist I dropped just now when I do the cocoa. About Kanye West, they put a picture of Kim Kardashian where she not to wear clothes like that. For you get girlfriend.
I get girlfriend.
Wait. See how people say they mess up. You don't know. Hey, what it be? Ada. Sorry. Wait, just now. You don't already do.
Because I don't know the one where you want make I call. Because them plenty. So I got to tell you say.
Oh. Now people like una they make them they look us. See, girlfriend, look at me. I'm faithful to you. You are not many on me. I'm just faithful to only you and you. No mind people like this. They cause confusion for this one. But seriously, you go fit put your wife picture onto internet things. How you see that particular thing where Kanye West they do so?
Say everybody get your own thinking, everybody get your own reasoning and understanding. Yes. But from what I feel, I feel say Kanye West they try to tell the world say, now me get this property now. I get the right to use them anyhow I want.
Okay. So you on your own now, as an Igbo man.
As an
Igbo man, where you be like this now. Now tell me. Say you just wake up one day, say, Ifoma, come out your clothes. Nah, pose naked. Let us put your picture on the internet.
Remember, you said as an Igbo man. And Igbo man, being an Igbo man has something to do with making money.
Yes. So
as long as the upload of the picture will make informer make money. Informer will not go poor now. If na picture they want make we make money, give it to them.
Hey, hey, ransom,
my brother.
Ransom, oh,
my brother,
ransom,
my brother.
Oh.
They will.
No,
make we leave the third one.
All right, ransom. So, which project you on ground now? Aside from this particular video, we expect very, very soon. When will they see your album they drop?
My album, like I don't record them already.
Okay.
So once it's true, we are looking at the end of this year.
Okay, by the end of this year, the single just shall drop.
The single just drop. Yes.
So 2015, aside from album, what you they look now? You won't see everywhere. Everybody always get dreams. Say, man, 2015, my year of massive progress, my year of supernatural something, my year of unlimited. What will be your own?
My ultimate aim is to make money.
So now your year of making money.
I'm an Igbo man, like you rightly said.
This Igbo man, thing we always hear 247 Igbo man.
Because the truth be say, plenty. I don't understand. Say for this our industry, plenty people they sabi them everywhere.
Yes.
But people know waiting them they pass through.
Of course, now that normal thing. They call and show.
People go call them show. They go come perform. People go shout. You no say the person where they shout for never talk. Nothing.
So it happen.
My ultimate aim is to make money.
To make money, now be ransom ultimate aim. What thing go separate you now from all of the bang where they for outside there? Because boys plenty where they sing. Nah, some people they chucky booties they put for this thing. Boys plenty for everywhere.
In fact, good songs never even come out. Good songs.
So how you want it different now? Because performance you perform for stage level, abi?
Yes, of course.
So that means when you enter stage, we get one we come here last time. They shout warrior. If you just enter stage, boom, they all give a microphone. You just shout warrior. Your own now,
my own.
If you enter stage.
Once you hear Abura Belife.
Abura Belife.
Yes.
I just want small freestyle for me. Maybe not be freestyle or anything where we just fit here. Make I see whether we fit follow you. They do the thing.
If I did my yard, you be me gonna.
What?
It would in my yard, you be me see. You wanna go? If one you to lulu abola akpiri no. I get brother no be long throat.
So.
No be my fault. Not my God. She said she wanna flex with the local boy.
Yo.
She said she wanna dance with the local boy. She said she wanna follow me run parade. She said she wanna know how I live my life. She said she wanna this. She said she wanna that. Alekubira this. Alekubira that.
Alekobe.
Obura Obelife, like I rightly said. So once you hear it, know that ransom is in the building.
Obura Obelife. Bam. So anytime when I hear that kind of level, just don't say ransom, don't enter the building. Ransom, thank you very, very much. And they wish you the best. You understand me now? Because it be like this now, man. This kind of your starting point, oh. Your starting point. So wish you the best. And of course, the late night show continue. And Klint Da Drunk in the building. And of course, Nams go doing thing very, very soon. All right. So when I not go anywhere, the late night show continue. Easy. And welcome back on top of the late night show. And this is my pocket square. Just like say I just put one heavy rag for you. What's wrong? You just stay here. Better now. Okay. You see me standing by the bar. Now, as much as it be like this now, you see, the person I want to invite coming to this place now is not an alright somebody. You are not okay. And ladies and gentlemen, now waka pass is just waka pass and easy piece. You don't ready. Klint Da Drunk in the building.
You don't know one thing. Whenever I remember this song, I remember places sing. Okay, I don't forget those things.
Why you go to forget these things like this?
I remember it, I forget it. They do like
they come, they go. It just come in and go in somehow.
It's infrequency.
Infrequency.
Yes.
So they touch. So
you know, say if frequency
yes.
means if they come in.
Yes.
Infrequency is naim be the dichotomical attribute towards the human antonym of jedi wey never done.
We never. What's a JJ we never done?
My brother, even me, as I shock
I
now.
don't understand.
As you talk am now, one piece.
I dey fear now because my bar is in trouble.
Hey! Bar!
Now this.
You know I'm called to the bar.
Oh, as a lawyer.
I'm in the bar association.
As a lawyer,
I dey associate myself with bar.
with the bar. Hey!
Can you imagine? In fact, this program, how long we get?
We supposed get like 20 minutes to talk different things.
Please, 4 days.
4 days.
Now we there.
Producer, are they here?
Producer, better go home. Keep camera. Go home, go bath, come back. Cook.
Please.
Cook.
Just
For yourself.
any of your choice. You
Any
know.
of my choice.
Today you drink finish.
I choose the glass.
A glass.
Because I ain't hold everything. As he take all if I move this glass, I move every. It dey like somebody they show you who they clap.
Where they dey? Inside darkness. Okay, somewhere for the back there.
Okay, now people from this building.
From the building.
Oh my God.
How na dey?
Don't mind them.
Una well done o.
See that one, you won't go bath. Come on, go inside.
You know
Can
what?
you know the see camera? You stand there. Your uncle.
Your real daddy.
No, in Papa neighbor. Papa. So you're your neighbor, Papa.
So the particular one now.
And in the team, there's particular. No, they get particular.
No particular. At all. They're not particular in any particular one. But you see this one? Chill.
This one.
Chill.
Hey. How? Chill the white. It's chill.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Today feel like Christmas for me.
Honestly, they like New Year for me. Because
say now one mascot with this
my
one.
My brother one pocket drink.
Hey.
From here I go.
Say make I bring cup, make I give you straw.
No.
Which of the apple?
I direct from the source.
From the source.
You know, you never do direct from the source before.
No.
Let me teach you now.
Teach me.
Something.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. Now like this.
This thing.
Now like this.
So, where you go?
I dey your back. I dey your back. Sorry.
I mean, no see.
She na one, I be na two. They see us.
My brother, I don't care how many you want to do.
We shall have some.
The only problem why I get be say for one person to wear 6 different colors of tie. Shut up! Whether they clap for me from heaven. No. People when they hear people when they heaven, they don't die. I never want die. Leave me where I did.
Mona leave her where they please.
Come on, wait. Listen, it's an interview. You never ask me a question.
I don't need to ask you a question.
I don't give you an answer.
We just a chill.
That's the idea.
Now chilling pin now we dey like this now.
So first of all, before anything, you know say anytime when you bring drink, give anybody.
Yes.
You go bless the drink.
Yes.
No need bring up.
Okay.
I bless them in my mind.
This now learning drink 101.
No learning.
No learning.
Lemon. Wait. No need to open this thing.
Hey.
I will carry and go out. Plus a glass cup.
Plus a glass cup. So make I bring like 4 more glass cups. Join this
no
one.
No need. I am drink. You don't understand. When in an alcoholic dispensation, only people will get that fulcrum. Hey. Everybody for us say fulcrum. Fulcrum. No, not una day house.
Okay, sorry. We just help the
say fulcrum. Okay, na TV be this.
Na TV.
I been since I go hear them more.
But just now, people they clap for us. You say they clap.
People they clap for us.
People they clap. They clap.
They hear them.
Hello.
My brother.
Which of us drink?
I talk say your witchcraft you want. You know easy to wear blue glasses.
You know easy. They don't know.
That means it don't beat and you be black man, you wear blue black glasses. They don't beat you black and blue before.
Oh.
I tell you.
We still want to learn this drinking thing.
Don't worry. You know the Russia call.
See me, I feel involved too.
You say?
After the prayer where you go pray now. Because even say we want to collect blessing from the elders.
I noticed. This drink, they go far.
This particular
drink. They travel. Okay, don't worry. I see the ones where I go carry go.
Some other ones that they there.
My open.
Yeah?
My open.
Yeah? It depends on what you want open though.
Oh boy, this drink very high from smell. He's drinking. He's not the alcoholic. He
No.
dey alcoholic. He dey high.
From the smell alone.
Hey.
Only popping, boom.
He not even pour for here. He pour for brain. I open her here. As I smell and pour.
He knocks something in the inside.
3 brain open. 3 of my brain. I have 3 open brain. I dey see clear.
Like this now.
I dey see people where they house. Bros, drop it.
Let me drop.
I don't know. Saturday I confused past you.
Hey, Klint Da Drunk in the building.
Man.
Ladies and gentlemen.
You say?
Now, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
Not be you. Only you, not gentleman.
I want to put this one. I want my put up for you.
For me.
Now small. It gets something I want to teach everybody. Drink responsibly.
Okay.
If you drink like this, everywhere shake. Stop. Stop. Nothing can shake unless say it don't reach to shake. We don't get earthquake for Nigeria, my brother. If you hear your friend come they talk say this house they move, house no be vehicle. Drink responsibly. Because if you go drink, my brother, once somebody will come with you, enter place, consider normal, they tell you, hey, what up?
What up?
What's happening,
What's
man?
happening, man?
Give me a drink. It's okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
But once the person don't they explain things, they hit hand for chest.
Okay.
Let me tell you, people, I know what I'm talking. I breathe myself. I breathe. This was
Sorry. Now, in the process of the explanation, with the explanation, like
anybody when they talk like that, it don't they reach junction.
when you talk in knock chest like this,
It don't they reach.
I
junction.
know what I'm doing.
Just me. I can tell you people authoritatively, especially English where they long
Okay.
to talk.
Okay.
Authoritatively.
Oh, Baka.
And let me tell you people, this is a psychological situation. Tell him, bros, it don't do for
don't
now.
do. It
Just dance.
So the dancing now.
You go reduce the palpitation.
Of
Say palpitation.
Palpitation.
You may know what it means.
I don't know.
And you talk up.
I just talk up.
Na cause
Yeah. On myself.
on your own self.
So I don't palpitate myself.
Hey, even
Yeah.
as you talk and now double insult.
Oh!
Now, when the person don't they talk like that, you don't they reach junction.
Okay.
Then when the person don't they sabi people where you know say they know fit sabi easily.
Okay. For example.
Na junction e dey.
Okay.
For example, let me tell you something. Fashola.
Oh my guy.
No, you no go talk.
You no go
much.
talk.
You go just knack chest. Fashola. In short, forget. What are you forgetting? You remember any other one? You go there, they forget. Wait till you not remember. Then you say that junction in there. But once you don't enter public transport, they travel.
Hey.
Now when they talk since, they don't relax.
Just dull. Dense. You're lazy.
Just ask me, where did they piss here? Just ask me.
I bet where did they piss for here? I bet, bros, where did you see where go piss for this area now?
But that one I say don't enter.
Yes.
When you don't they reach destination,
Yes.
the person will not be a problem. It not be problem to any human person be this. You born picking.
No, okay. That's just for people when they carry big things they enter this place.
Okay, for
elevation.
okay
and
to
everything.
elevate
To
amateur. Now him be sacking and papa na double. So when they don't reach destination,
Yes.
that they cannot just move without assistance. Wait till you go see like this. And when I do tap me, tell me where they go. See the position.
Now find out with this now. Come. Guy. Where we they go now?
No. they rigged the election. They fight. They fight something. Now, you know that roundabout?
Which roundabout did they talk?
Take out. Finally, when you don't drag them, let's go. Drag them up.
They call the laugh of Mumu laugh. They're just happy with the whole world.
They'll start showing you how they feel. You know you'll be my friend. Not like you. All those things wait you from me, my brother. At that point, please run, because what will come out of the man is greater than the man himself. All those things you run from me, my brother. God will bless me. Not you. Now him, God will bless. So like I said, if you want to drink, please drink responsibly.
Yes.
But you get something you want to collect, please. Anytime I drive again, anybody in uniform stop me. You know,
anybody in uniform, you can get different uniform
school
now.
Uniform or any uniform. I don't care. Even okay, psychiatric uniform, and I go respect you
For her respect's sake.
Yes, not before respect, say because of my vehicle.
Okay.
Oh, why you think say only Nigeria madman they control traffic? Will they agree? Because if your windscreen goes, it goes.
It don't go, not true. Nobody to call the repairer for you.
Who will repair? Oh, you go to the man, may he come repair. He will repair you. And the people where you come with, by means of biting an introduction into psychiatric, melancholy.
Melancholy.
Waiting in
We
me.
don't know the. I don't cause myself again.
No,
Okay.
this one we confuse. Because we talking together.
Together.
One day they will come and arrest us for reckless talking.
ABC na joke.
They handcuff the mouth.
Padlock everything.
We go they hum everything we was say. Well, I tell you, anytime they stop me and say they are going to arrest me for drinking and driving, I'll go take them. Now me go take them go court. Yes.
For what case now?
What is drinking and driving? Let me tell you, I have never in my life entered the car and started doing that drinking and driving. No. Because drinking and driving is drinking and driving.
Actually.
Nobody does that. They stopped me the other day saying you are drinking and driving. I said no. They opened door, I come out. Though I didn't come out normally.
Okay.
I come out in
With
my
moves.
dispensation.
Yeah, exactly.
It is democratic rule.
Oh, yes.
So I use ruler
to
come out.
Okay.
So as I come out, they say you're drinking and driving. I say no, you can't try that. They say you are drinking and driving, we arrest you. I said no. Officer or Osifa, whichever one you are.
Osifa, officer.
I said, let me tell you, I'm not drinking and driving. I went somewhere and I drank.
Okay.
I have finished the drinking part. I have finished drinking.
Before.
Now, I am only driving.
So that was drinking before.
If you say you arrest you for drinking before driving, I understand. This one are drinking and driving. That means
Simple
you're
English.
doing it together in pari passu, all together
At the same
in a
time,
conductive.
Yes, in a formative and horizontal.
I know say you go complete this English.
I had to just do the, say, Mister, I want to show as I shook the teeth.
Just shook it.
Yes, shook something somewhere. But we get some pictures of you.
Which one?
Where can't they even chuck all the everybody self?
Where is it?
We're going to show you one thing now. We're going to show back to back now.
How?
For somewhere around, somewhere here. Where the picture there? See this picture now.
No, wait. Hold on this picture. Let me explain something. The other picture where my face big.
Yes.
My face be normal for that picture.
Oh, now normal face now be that one for right.
No, now normal face before.
Okay.
That other one when I just enter school,
Something
when I
session.
just enter school.
Yes.
So no suit they available.
Oh.
So my uncle,
Yes.
they inherit the suit.
Okay.
Give me.
They can't pass them on.
Pass on.
Oh,
The
inheritance.
color of that suit before
Yes.
was black. Black and gold.
Black and gold.
No, white and gold.
White and gold.
And now it's blue and black.
Oh,
So when they join the two pictures, that other picture can't see the other one.
Oh.
The other picture shock.
Okay.
What the hell is this?
Now be the reaction.
Now did the reaction.
Oh, this one
other one, I was confused. I was asking them when. Next picture.
Next picture. It be like confused picture actually.
I am confused.
Very, very confused picture.
I was confused because I was, please, can you please tell me where to piece?
Exactly. Now this one now.
This one,
Say
thank
now
you.
elevated travel.
We travel abroad
Yes.
by flight, but I don't see the plane.
Oh.
So I'm asking, I'm conjuring the gods.
Say okay. Tell us how we take reach here.
The gods of my village. How we take reach here. Meanwhile, you see this position where
Yes.
I sit. Might tell you true. This thing saved my life.
Serious.
Yes.
For where
When
be
we
that?
been there school, IMT, those days, that was when Operation Vigilance come out. They arrest any living thing,
Yeah.
even pigeon.
Serious.
Once they see you as a man, they carry you. So this position now,
Yes.
they see there. When I can see, say these people cannot stop. Once I see their car, they come from any angle. Bah!
Sharp.
I'll carry my leg
Put up for. Yeah.
immediately. Like
Hey!
this. I carry hand. I
Hey.
move.
Hey. Make
Are you
I try.
surprised? Don't try am o.
I want try.
Your trouser is not the same size.
No, because I want.
You will tear things. See it.
Hey.
Then you
I try
lift-
now.
Okay, lift
I
like
try.
this. Awolo.
Hey.
Awolo.
Hey.
Two of us are going to make money.
Hey.
We are going to make
must
money.
make
We will make money. Hey. Which junction do we go and state?
You go stay for the first junction.
I'll show you something.
Sanusi Fafowa.
Okay, I'll go there like this, then I'll
Yeah.
put tag, I am blind.
Which one I go put that?
I'm deaf and dumb. I'm telling you.
Klint in the building. Ladies and
Sometimes.
gentlemen. I also said everybody enjoy the whole craze on top the whole level like this. Brosso.
Dross.
Wait, how your family take
Wait,
the
what you
cook
call
with
me?
this thing? Brosso.
Okay, I talk say a dross.
Not be Drosso.
Thank you.
Dross.
Because that means I'll be underwear.
But some people don't know say you don't marry self. People drop
Even
two
me,
self.
I don't know.
Even
I
you
was,
don't-
I was shocked when
But-
two children came and said,
Boom.
Daddy, see this position?
What do you define for your leg for this
My
picture?
brother, something shook me.
Oh.
I look the leg, look and they snap me.
Oh.
I can't realize saying at the other leg.
Oh, no, the other leg. Now you.
No, that one, I not find that one.
Oh. But come get a picture of you and your family too.
Familiar picture.
Very familiar picture.
Thank you.
All of you are there for them. Very
We
beautiful and things
We conjoined
together.
in one picture.
Eh.
You know, say facially, I know two makeup. So I just
Now you
look
talk and
for-
shout.
Now me they talk am.
Eh.
I know.
But how your wife take
I
it?
used 3 minutes escape Omo Baba level.
Mm.
So I said my generation will not suffer this thing.
Then you have to
They
correct
will
it.
not suffer.
You correct them straight.
There must be corrective measure. Even see me when I walk cry. They like say they punch me. Not even with normal punching. That follow that DVD player, not even VCD. I say when my children will cry, let them not look bad. They will look fine. Still.
At least when they don't do all right.
So I can't hustle. I hustle that with my wife. It's a hustling thing.
Hustling.
Oh my God.
Finally, say
I did not locate her. I relocate her.
okay.
That means you locate and locate again. I relocate.
Huh.
Because if you beat, you can repeat.
I don't know.
Now
TikTok,
you say
I don't know
our
TikTok.
engine don't end.
Don't they finish?
Batteries die.
Ah, ladies and gentlemen, we don't get the correct Klint Da Drunk in the building. And of course, most of them don't enjoy every. We never see drink this drink.
Wait, so you say we don't get the correct one. Now you say the fake one come before.
We get some fake with the breeze sometimes now.
That's nice.
We just carry some fake cut. We just call
You
it
know,
present.
you can never be a wonderful person until they duplicate you.
Truthfully, yes.
If piracy not affect your music or your video, now you say no sweet.
So the only person who makes sense, now they pirate.
I'm not trying to say that piracy is good. If you be pirate, if you dey pirate people CD, especially those ones who pirate our brother own, why?
Hey, why?
God will punish you.
Oh,
Thunder will fire you.
Okay, because
in 5 areas of your body.
I say God will furnish you.
Punish.
I say now furnish here.
No, furnish.
Say what put furniture for your body.
No, if you can even furnish them with disease.
No. Not here. All right. So that are from Klint Da Drunk. All right. So Bros, before you come up outside the building now.
I'm not commoting.
You're not
There's
commoting.
drink here.
There's drink.
Yes.
And no, you go find, if you carry bag go now.
We'll die here.
We'll die here together now.
No,
so
no,
by the time
I'm
we come
not-
out from this break
I'm not
now,
dying.
we come out from this break now. Me, I want drink now. I want to drink now. We get one guy in the building, Namzi. Namzi will perform for us, and then from there, every continue. Still on the drinking team.
Listen, she's wanting my body, see, and I'm wanting her body too, girl. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh, show me love, my baby, see. She's wanting my body, see, girl, and I'm wanting her body too, girl. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Oh, yeah, DJ, is Monaka, no, Monaka. Yeah, man.
Speed.
Hey, tell him now. Sammy say, hey, no, 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 no. Listen, see, she's wanting my body, yeah, and I'm wanting her body too, girl. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh, show me love, my baby. See, she's wanting my body, and I'm wanting her body too, girl. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh, show me love, my baby. Listen, see, boss. Madame, see, my sexy madame, see, you be my diva, be your madame, baby. Oh yeah, tell them, come down, see, yeah, see, I'll be loving you to the end, oh, see, man, I'm in a pretend, oh. See, baby, sing, I say, see, anything you do, baby, me go do. See, anywhere you go, baby, me go now. See, anything you do, baby, me go do now. Sammy sing, say she's wanting my body, see, and I'm wanting her body to get. Show me love, oh, see, show me love, my baby. See, she's wanting my body, tell her, and I'm wanting her body to get. Show me love, oh. I listen, and I'll be searching for the right one. For the, see, baby, you stole my heart. Yeah, you stole my heart, though. Yeah, me and you gon' make it sense. You gone like two Baba and Dan. See, girl, I will fight for you every night and day. Girl, I'll be your army. Me say nah. See anything you do, see anywhere you go, baby, me go nah. They calling me. Now she's wanting my body. Hey. And I'm wanting her body to girl. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh, show me love, my baby. She's wanting my body, yeah, and I'm wanting her body to girl. Show me love, oh, show me, yeah, show me love, my baby. I tell her, see, you said, yeah, you are here. Yeah, I be your perfect gentleman. Say, you fine girl. You said to get.
What's your idea?
You get them, girl. See, I be your perfect gentleman. You say, anything you do, baby, me go do. See, anywhere she go, baby, me go now. See, anything she do, baby, me go do. I go that sound like this. Yeah, ba. See, and I'm wanting her body to get. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Sammy sings here, she's wanting my body.
Namzi!
Yeah, what they call me? They call me Namzi.
More clap for her.
I like this song. He said, she's wanting his blood.
You know not the body I talk about.
Okay, body. I've been teasing her blood.
No, blood bow.
Say blood.
You slap it. Maybe you want to slap it. I mean, she wants.
All this your jiggly, where they jiggly. All this your plenty carats gold.
This one a person house rent.
Person house rent. You don't they collect money for this thing?
Wait, person house rent for where?
For which particular
Because if
place?
now house rent
For Lekki.
you get area where it go be.
Some places.
Person house rent, you never reach recharge card. So
Yes, different kind of house rent.
it depends.
Different places, 9 days.
like might show you for our map here. If a person house rent
Like that kind of
for
house.
here,
Yes.
Correct.
Correct.
That kind of place.
boy, after this light here,
I jug all the sides.
bros, that no, they not even pray. Then they all landlords, so the landlord they owe them.
Wow.
All right. So,
But beautiful
abeg,
song.
beautiful song, man. Because I wish you the best. If
Hey,
now feel
see
say
the mic dey fun.
you want spoiler, abi,
I don't feel
you go pay house rent join. Now, if now feel say Namzi kill everything, we can also go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Make sure say una holla us for there. Tell us say yes, una feeling bedu and everything.
Sometimes you kill anything. You don't even kill mosquito here.
You don't kill anything so far.
Even if you say try, say
If you
it's so
try,
sweet.
if you make too much sense,
Say
too much
kill
brain,
something.
but kill him. Those are adjectives, abi.
No, it's an adjectival onomatopoeia.
All right, so Easy Beats. Thank you everybody for joining us on the show. Biggest thank you to Klint Da Drunk, the biggest bros on every. We go see you on top of the show tomorrow. Make sure you join us, all right? So good night to all of you now. So, oh yeah, clear microphone.
You get come baby. I be your perfect gentleman. They carry me. I now delay. The guy I got to come and want to judge me. I came on you. Show me